Welcome to Grammar Practice Free English course online 14. Today's grammar points. Present simple, spelling revision, adverbs with the present simple. Let's see what adverbs go with the present simple. Time adverbs with present simple. Always. I always like cooking. I don't always arrive late. Do you always arrive late? Every day. I learn English every day. I don't travel by bus every day. Do you travel by bus every day? Every week. I play tennis every week. I don't play football every week. Do you play sports every week? Every month. I visit my cousins every month. I don't travel for work every month. Do you see them every month? Every year. I travel to London every year. I don't go there every year. Do you see her every year? On Mondays. I work from home on Mondays. I don't work there on Mondays. Do you commute on Mondays? Sometimes. I sometimes eat there. He sometimes doesn't come in. Do you sometimes eat there? Normally. I normally travel by bus. I don't normally arrive late. Do you normally arrive on time? Usually. I usually travel by plane. I don't usually travel by car. Do you usually travel by train? Generally. I generally arrive on time. I don't generally arrive late. Do you generally arrive on time? At weekends. We relax at weekends. We don't do much at weekends. Do you do much at weekends? Review of present simple. Spelling of the third person singular. 1. Verb plus S. Most verbs in the third person singular. She walks, he waits, it works. 2. Verb plus ES. Certain verbs in the third person singular. He goes, she goes, it goes. He does, she does, it does. 3. You remove the Y and add IES. Certain verbs in the third person singular. He flies, she flies, it flies. He studies, she studies. 4. Completely different. Specific changes. I do, you do, he does, she does, it does. We do, you do, they do. I can, you can, he can, she can, it can. We can, you can, they can. That's it for today.